Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join Temu affiliate program in 2024. Becoming an affiliate with Temu allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products, which is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence. So in this video, I'll walk you through the application process and what you need to know as an example about the commission structure and some tips maybe to maximize your earnings. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that, simply go to this list panel or to this URL section. And here, just go and type temu.com. Once you do so, just scroll down to the footer of the page. And here, as an example, you'll find this company info. So about Temu, affiliate and influencer earn commissions. This is what we want, so go and click on that. This will open a new tab for you. So some stuff in here, examples, this cash account, all earnings, etc. So yeah, I got it. It's fine. So they'll show you around example about it. So first cash to get like 20. This is like my local currency, so $2 kinda. You can share link to get it. So you'll need to copy text for simplify sharing. Sharing example. So click on this link as example to get 1,000 coupon bundle. Another surprise for you. Click on that, etc. So you can copy this and send it to other people. If you're just a personal user, as example, if you want to get some money, as example, yeah. So it's up to you. So for affiliates program, as example, you can earn, as you can see, for new app users, first download apps. So you'll get from 10 to 30% commissions on order placed within 30 days of your referral downloading app. And for affiliates, as you can see, you have no earning limits. So for, of course, the affiliates program, you don't need like to apply. Example, if you go and open a new tab and type like affiliates, so yeah, affiliate like program in here, hit the enter button, as an example here. Affiliates program example, they'll take you to the exact page. So there's no affiliates program that you'll need to go and submit your applicant or application, then you'll have to get accepted and etc. So all those stuff are not needed. All you need to do, just go and get your link and start sharing. And as you said, you will get 10 to 30% of the, of course, commissions on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. You can see, of course, details in here about everything about it. Of course, this is my like local currency, so just don't get this for what they will give you. So I'll just tell you. So this one is example $0 to $50, from $50 to like $100 and $100 plus an example you get this. So if someone make an order from 0 to 50, you'll get 10%. From 50 to 1,000, you'll get 20%. For 1,000 plus, you'll get 30%. It will, of course, will be up to $5. We'll also give a bonus example of $5 for each new app user acquiring the new app user status by using your referral link, as you can see. So, of course, to start using it, you'll need to connect into your account. First of all, if you're not connected, yes, go to temu.com, go in here, click on sign in/register. Just register to your account using your email or phone number, or you can use Google, Facebook, Apple, or also a Twitter account or X account, as it's called right now, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, example, if you come in here, you'll get your commission, as you said, from 10 to 30%, and or you'll get $5 extra download reward for every referral who download an order and delivered. So someone downloaded, ordered something, and the order got delivered, you'll get $5 extra. Other than this, from 10 to 30. So plus this $5 will be plus on that. So keep that in mind. Of course, how to use this basically. For example, you can see like this person invited like all those people. So those some influencers example. So this one invited one people 5 minutes ago. This one earned like example $53 like this one, and etc. So you can simply just go and click on share to earn, share or get this code and start sharing it. If you're only for a certain example, share it on your social media and etc. and stuff. And of course, here you can even find referrals that can get. So basically, This is $1,000 like dollars coupon bundle, new app user, general thing, and deep link as example, exclusive deal for new app users, and save big example for new like or old users as well. So you click on share example, you'll get like just the link of that. So as you can see, applicants, you don't have to fill like an application and become an applicant and like other affiliates program where you'll be their partner as an example. So those people will not count you as their partner. They'll just give you a link, share it with people. Anyone who join through that link, buy something, you'll get a commission. As simple as that. As easy as that. And for affiliates, they have no earning limits. Isn't that amazing? Like for not up getting a partner or something like that, you don't have any earning limits, as you can see. And yeah, so of course after that you will get your money in here. You'll find how much money you made in here. As example, for me at the moment is just $2. You can find cash and of course pending what's coming as example, and you can simply get those money on your PayPal right away. As example, you can simply click on withdraw, and you can either, of course, all the money that you get, you'll get it on Temu credit, so you can use it on Temu for free if you want to use it, or you can simply just go and get them on your PayPal if you want to. Of course, after you're getting like a lot of money, you can simply just go, as we said, come here to this affiliate influencer program, click on withdraw, and instead of share to get, because for me I still did not like reach $5, so the minimum will be $5 to get it into your PayPal. So once you get your $5 example, you'll be able to withdraw it. So click on withdraw and you'll be able to withdraw it to your PayPal account. You'll be able to simply enter the email of your PayPal account or connect to your PayPal account, and you will be able to withdraw it as simple as that. So as you can see, very simple to do, isn't it? And yeah, that's gonna be basically it for me today. Of course, if you have any like questions, you can always like contact the support or find frequently asked questions, then you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.